everyone, my name is Shayla Tepilova. I'm a bridal hair makeup artist based in Naples, Florida. I'm a part of Salon Centric's It Takes a Pro team, and I'm here to show you how to prep the roots for the upstyling step by steps. Most of the time, I have my clients to come with one-day washed hair. It's the best thing to do is for them to blow dry the hair a day before, but a lot of people don't listen to it and they just air dry the hair, and this is what they come, this kind of texture. They're gonna have a little bit of wave into the hair. The hair is very like slick. So first of all, how to wash the hair, I would always tell them to use just a shampoo instead of a conditioner. I have a client on my chair with this kind of texture right now, which is very slick and it has a little bit of wave to it. So, you know, prepping the hair is, I would say, 50% of the outcome of the hairstylist, okay? So once the hair is sectioned in here, I'm gonna go ahead and use a shaping heat spray by Maria Neal. This is my favorite one. Spray with it a little bit. And then using my texture iron, you have to make sure for the texture iron, the section is not too thick. You're taking a horizontal section. When you take the section, if the section is too thick, when you press this, the crimp texture is gonna show at the top part of the hair, but middle of the hair is not gonna get any texture in it. So you have to make sure when you crimp it, you have like a thin, long horizontal section, and you just like lightly press the hair like this. You're not pressing it too hard. The goal is to create that grip, like a sponge-like texture. If the section is too long, you can always divide it into 2 or 3, whatever you're comfortable with. So you have a good tension to it. Hold it, and I'm kind of releasing it a little bit, holding it with my hand, not too tight. And just like you're using a flat iron, you're just gonna lightly press. And as you can see, you are getting rid of that natural wave of the client, but also you're adding a lot of texture to the hair. And this is how I prep the entire hair.